Hey Parrish house hunters, we're over here at Firethorn hanging out in the Ivy Townhome today. Thought you guys might want to check it out with me. Let's go. Alright, so if you don't know, these townhomes do not come with your own driveway. It's open parking out front. Ivy is right here and we're going to go take a look at it. So this is 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, about 1,200 square feet. So you walk right into the kitchen, then you've got your stairs over here. So they must be doing some work in here. Not exactly sure what's going on with all that. You do get a pantry. This is actually pretty deep. It's not that wide, but it is pretty deep. Right here, you're gonna have a half bath. You got your little dining table and your common area. So living room, dining, kitchen, and half bath on this floor. So outside we have a little seating area and you have a door. So this door is actually where your water heater is. It's got a little bit of room. Your electric panel as well. You can put some stuff out here. You do have this covered part, which is nice because it is hot and that shade is really nice to have. Right, so upstairs we're gonna have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Alright, so my microphone must have cut off, so I've got to do a voiceover. So that is the washer and dryer at the top of the stairs, and then you have this first bedroom, which is actually the smaller of the two. It does have 2 closets in the room, and then that center door is how to get out. And then you have your bathroom. It's going to be a shower tub combination, and it's got a vanity. There's no drawers in there. That's the bathroom. Down the hallway, this is actually the bigger of the 2 rooms, and this one has a really nice closet. It's actually pretty big. You can see right there. It's a nice size closet, and you can fit a dresser in this room, and the other one you couldn't. And then the bathroom, you're gonna have a double vanity in this one. It's got a shower, and then you're gonna have this little bath closet right here to put your linens in, and then I think that thing was for the internet. So what you guys all think of the Ivy? You ready to move in? If you guys got questions about this development or any other home in Parrish, give us a call. See me in town with Keys of the Coast Real Estate. Remember to check out our website, www.homesforsaleparrishflorida.com. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.